you're all about trust, no? And then you are going to determine the displacement, the member axial forces, and the support reactions. Itong i-upload no sa itong Google Classroom as your reference. So if you can do it in until 9, no, so maybe we will extend the submission. Mga laptops, no, students. So you can have a screenshot first no, on this one, and then you can download no, the file dito sa atong Google Classroom. I think you can do it naman in 2 hours siguro, no? In 2 hours, maybe you can submit as early as after 2 hours siguro. Mag-master naman mo sa inyong programming. So, dili na ni siya only axial forces, no? But you have to determine all, no? The displacements, the joint displacements, the member axial forces, and the support reactions using the matrix stiffness method. So, again, no, basically, you're going to have an analytical method no, in calculating those required na mga parameters such as joint displacements, axial forces, and support reactions. And then, before mo mag-program no, sa Visual Basic program. So if you can submit that one after 2 hours, much better, no? But if ever, no, nagapoy points, no, ang kato makasubmit depending on your time completion no, sa program. So nanang parameters now, you have an external forces of 900 kilonewton and 600 kilonewton. And then the cross-sectional areas no, of the materials are given also. And then you have the height of 8 meters, spans of 6 meters, 2 meters, and 4 meters respectively. So again, no, you can start doing no, your calculation. So requirements, same no as atong activity ninyo last time, but this is just a quiz no. Manual calculation to be submitted at 11:59, pinaka maximum na siya tonight, but if you can submit as early as after 2 hours or 9 p.m. So kuha na siya sa inyong end no, na may additional na points na. So Visual Basic. Okay, so I will no longer give you an answer no sa mga required parameters no, but maybe I can give you one hint lang siguro. Maybe in the displacement siguro no, kaya naman may joint displacements. So maybe I can give you one hint kung saan correct answer for a certain displacement no, in this given truss. Okay, naka-screenshot na mo, Engineer Dea? How about the others, no? So, ako ni siyang i-upload no dito sa atong Google Classroom and then together with your next assignment also. So, ako lang i-share no sa chat box ng Google Classroom ang one of the answers no sa displacement para na mo hint and then one force siguro or reaction.
Hello, sir.
So for so also, I'll give you a screenshot no as your guide lang on how you will analyze no the given trust para namoy guide pod no para consistent no unsa tong joint nimo joint 1, 2, 3 and 4 and then unsa tong mga element 1, 2, 3 no sa inyong solution. So I'll give you a screenshot no dinhi sa atong Google Classroom. Please share your GC also no students for screenshot no sa GC pod sa atong course. Ito siya?